Hey crafty friends, let's welcome back with another video. Today we are going to take the same card right here and we're going to use the same products and make a completely different card using the same layout and the same products. So let's get started. I've got a 160-pound top folding A2 card base from Cougar White cardstock, and I'm going to use the Mom stamp set from Pixie Dust Designs. This just came out recently, like earlier this week at the time of posting. We're going to do the little elephant, and I'm going to pop that in first. I'm going to use this, so I'm going to pop that on. We're going to use the same ink colors and markers that I used on the first card. So I'm going to ink this up. I'm going to stamp our focal image down. I've got my focal image stamped on my card base. And I chose the heavyweight cardstock because I could color right on top and not have it bleed through. We're going to set our Misty to the side. We're going to color our image first, and then we'll come back and add our ink blending mask area on top. So we're going to do our little elephants first. I just grabbed a piece of cardstock to put my panel on. There, we're going to color our elephant with warm grays. So I'm going to use W9, W7, W5, and W3 to color them. We're going to start off with our darkest color. So I'm going to add in my W9 where I want those shadows to be on my little elephant. So right there, right here under her little legs. And we'll have a little right on this part of her body and right underneath that ear. Then I'm going to extend that out slightly with my W7. I'm also going to come up under the area of where the little flowers are on top of her little head. I will blend that out right here. Her little tail, under her little ear, on her little neck, this leg right there, and her foot. Blend that out. I'm going to add just a little shadow right into those little folds, and then I will blend that with my W5. It's right along her little ear right there. Connect that part of her little ear. Blend that right there. Part of her little nose. Blend this section here. Then I will take my W3 and blend the entire thing out for her face. Do this little part. I'm going to let that dry, and I will do a second coat. I'm going to go ahead and do my little baby elephant. So we'll add shadow to him with our W7. Under the belly right there. I'll switch over to my W5. I'll just blend that out under that little ear. We'll blend that with our W3. I've got all my coloring done for our elephants besides their little, the flowers and the parts of the ears. So we're going to do that next. For their ears, I'm going to use R01 and R00, 000. So I'll add my darkest color in where I want the shadow to be. And then I will blend that out with the lightest. We're going to add a little, I'm going to fill this in with the gel pen so I can come back over that. I'm going to go ahead and give them a little rosy cheek as well. So we're going to do R23, and I'll blend that out. We're also going to use that R23 and R21. I'm sorry, RV23 and RV21 on the flowers. So I'm going to add a little of that darkest color there. I'll blend that out with my lightest color. For that center flower, I'm going to use B02. And add just a little shadow right in there. And then B01 to blend that out. I'm going to take a little Y06 and dot in the center of our flowers right there. All right, for the little baby's ears, I'm going to do that same color. I added gel pen to it so I could add in that color on top of it. I'm going to pull in my mat. I've got my stencil right here. I'm going to center this right on top of our panel. And I'm going to tape it into place, just in case. But we're going to lay that down. And we're going to start off with a little waterfall ink. And I'm going to add just a little ink on this bottom side right here. And then we're going to add a little bit of cherry blossom ink at the top and around this side. So we'll move that. We'll peel off our mask. Here's our focal panel all ready to go. Let's grab our Misty. I'm going to add my card back in. And I'm going to stamp the sentiment, "You're my best friend." This time instead of Happy Mother's Day. So I will pick that up and we will ink that up using our tuxedo black ink. That way it matches. I'm going to stamp that twice. Before I embellish the card, I'm going to clean up where the ink got a little out of control. So we're just going to clean up around our little edges of our stamped image. Under our little elephants here. So we'll just add a little white gel pen right on the outside to clean up any mistakes. Clean up around our little baby elephant. And then we can go ahead and add a few highlights to our little elephants as well. Into our little flowers. All right, so there's that all cleaned up. I'm gonna add some iridescent dewdrops like we did on the first card. So we will take, I'm gonna add 3 over here and we'll add 3 on this side as well. So I'm gonna go a medium and a small right there. And we'll pick up a big one to go right here next to our sentiment. And then up on the other trio, we'll do a medium, the smalls. We'll do a small right there, and then we'll do another small up at the top. All right, my friends, there is our finished card. Here's the one we just did together today. Here's the one that I shared yesterday on Instagram. They're super easy to make. You can find all the products linked and listed in the video description below. I'll see you in the next video right over there. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.